Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode, we're making sazon from scratch. And guess what? No MSG. Coming right up. To make sazon, it is super easy. You probably have most of the ingredients at home. 2 tablespoons of annatto, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Pour all your ingredients in a food processor or a blender and mix them well for a few minutes. After grinding the sazon, you will have some seeds left from the annatto. Make sure you sift them out of your sazon. Store your sazon in an airtight container. 1.5 teaspoons of this mix equals to 1 packet of the commercial sazon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, check out other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. No MSG. No MSG.